me in the mood, girl, and you're looking good. You look so fly, girl, I cannot tell a lie. Oh, baby, can I be your only man? You know I love you, and can I be your number one? You know I want you. Oh, every day and night, baby, all I want is you. Take it to the altar is all I wanna do. Only you to make me mad over you. Yeah, baby, my lady dance, show me.
Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm Angie Styles. If you are new, you are highly welcome. I'm Angie Styles. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you can get notifications anytime I upload a new video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I will be answering most questions. The questions that I do get more on my emails today. So I'm just coming back from the studio where I went for an interview. So let me not waste much time because I'm tired already. I need to go and rest. So I will be answering some questions concerning skin lightening, especially for the beginners. I have said this time without numbers. I've always get these questions about I've been using this product and it's not working. I don't know the products you guys are using. I don't know where you get it from. I don't know how you made your products. But all I'm trying to say here is if you are using a natural skin lightener, number one thing is that you need to follow it. You need to follow it step by step. Especially for beginners, I mean the newbies, people that just want to start that want to start the skin lightening journey. Let me put it that way. If you just want to start skin lightening journey, you need to follow the step by step regime so that you can achieve a good result. Nobody achieved the results overnight. Yes, skin lightening doesn't work that way unless you want to go the chemical way, which I don't know how they do it. But I don't advise you to use any product containing harsh chemicals such as hydroquinone, mercury, and the rest. Please stay away from such products. Some people will email me, they will write to me telling me they want to lighten overnight, they have wedding tomorrow, they want to attend an event next tomorrow, they need to. You start on time. Skin lightening, you need to give it at least 6 months. Yes, give it at least 6 months. I know how long it took me to achieve my result before I start maintaining it, which I am now. Because I remember those times when I achieved my result, I was like white, and my husband started complaining, and I have to mellow. I have said it. Now I don't use my skin lightening every day. I use it only 2 times in a week. All I'm doing now is maintaining my color. Just to be this way. I just want it to be glowing and flawless. That's all I want. I don't want to over whiten my skin. So the first step to take is exfoliation. I have said it. Some people will just exfoliate. Yes, I said before you introduce your skin lighteners, you exfoliate for 4 to 6 weeks. Now let me tell you, because some people will say, I have used this thing for 1 month, I have used it for 4 weeks, it's not working. How did you use it? Did you use it patiently? If you can tell yourself the truth, you did not use only the exfoliation, did not exfoliate only without adding cream for that 4 weeks. I know it. So let me tell you, I just want to answer all your questions, and we just want to and then give you this tip. So the tip is this: if you want to lighten your skin, number one, patiently use lactic acid. Now I am talking about lactic acid exfoliation now, because when you ask people to use maybe milk or all those things, That one may be like 1 year before you start seeing result because it doesn't work fast. So you can go for the lactic acid. Lactic acid also is derived from sour milk. So use the lactic, and it works faster than milk itself. Use the lactic acid. Make sure you are using lactic acid lotion that is well blended, okay, well mixed. That's what I mean. You can start with 10 or 12%. It depends on your skin. Then if you see that your skin is taking it, your skin is used to it, then you move up to 15% or more, or 20 to 25%. Some people take to use 25% as I speak with you to you now. You understand? So it depends on what you want to achieve. If you want it to give you a physical peel, then move up. You move up to 20%. It will give you a physical peel. Peel off your skin and then bring out the new skin. You understand? But if you want it to exfoliate, get rid of those dead skin, like mildly, without giving you that physical peel, you use at least 15%. Use 15%. So for example, you made 10% or 15% and you use it did not give you what you are looking for, then move up to 17% or like that. You keep moving up gradually to what your skin can take, okay, so that it can give you that physical peeling or exfoliate your skin properly, because all skins are not the same. I myself, I don't go above 15%, whether in my shower gel, in my lotion is 15%, and that is what I recommend to people. So if you want to increase it, no problem, you can increase it depending on your skin type, okay? But you need to use this. When you use it for that 4 weeks and it did not work for you, move up and continue using it. You can use it. I have gotten what I need, my skin color, complexion that I need, but I still do exfoliation because I don't want my skin to darken. I still want to maintain that glowing. Not only that lactic acid will exfoliate your skin, it gives you that flawless, soften your skin, and make your skin glow. That's what I love it for more. Last month, I just finished using the lotion, lactic acid lotion. I used it straight for 4 weeks and I stopped. Now I am using the after gel, the lactic acid after gel. You saw me make the video last time, and it works well for me. It makes my skin smooth, soft, it makes it tender. As you can see, my skin, I'm loving it so much. I'm loving my skin. So does not mean that when you use it you stop. You don't stop. You can continue using it until you achieve your results. So let me tell you what you will do. When you use it for the first 4 to 6 weeks and it did not give you what you are looking for, you move up the percentage. You can even bring down the pH. There's a normal pH of lactic acid is 3.5, so that it doesn't burn your skin. But if you want it to give you physical peeling, you reduce that pH maybe to 2.5, so that it will be more effective and work properly, and take care of get rid of those dead skin. You understand? So when you use it that month and the next month, continue using it. So what you can now do is use your lactic acid. Then what you do, you use only lactic acid first for 4 to 6 weeks. Then after that, you introduce your skin lightening. So what you do, use your skin lightening lotion in the morning and during the day. Then every night you come back, you bathe, you use your exfoliating lotion before you go into bed. You see it. So the exfoliating lotion works all night. Then during the morning, you wash it off and then you apply your skin lightening, and that one work all day. And don't forget to use your sunscreen or use a good shea butter mix. Okay? So it's simple and easy. The problem we're having is impatience. You need patience. You understand? For this skin lightening journey, you need to be patient. Skins are different. Some people take several weeks before they can start seeing a visible result. So while some people take months before they will start seeing results. So stick on it. use this thing straight. If you will take my advice, use that exfoliatic lotion or whatever, and the shower gel if you want to add it, or soap that contains lactic acid. Use it straight for 3 months, 3 straight months. First of all, that 4 to 6 weeks. After that, then you start combining it. Use it at night, then use your lighteners during the day. Use it straight for 3 months. I bet you must surely see results. I have stubborn skin also. I know what I've been in the past, but I now realize that being patient is the key. Because before I am impatient, when I use something like 2 weeks, if I don't see any results, highest 1 month, I will just throw it away and say this thing did not work, until I start making mine. And now notice that natural things works, but you need to be patient. Patient, dear, patient. Okay, so that is it. And when you are making your lotion, if you are formulating your lotion by yourself, or you are buying from the store, or you are buying the one that has already been formulated, you need to read your ingredients. So let me mention some few natural skin lightening additives that you can add to your lotion, or that you need to see in a lotion, in a lightening lotion, before buying it or before using it on your skin. Number 1 is kojic acid. Kojic acid is the number 1 thing you need to get. Check if there is no kojic acid in that lotion. Number 2 is mulberry extract. Check if there is mulberry in that. Alpha-arbutin, beta-arbutin, glutathione, licorice root extract, papaya. Very good. The enzymes can do amazing things on your skin if you don't know. Vitamin A, which is known as retinol. Vitamin B3, that is niacinamide powder. Vitamin C, L-ascorbic acid or MAP or SAP, any vitamin C. Giga white extract, which is produced from 7 organic apple plants. The extract, the liquid extract, you need it. Resveratrol powder or the liquid, whichever is you need to be in that product. Sepia white and the citrus extract. Okay, these are the, I just mentioned just 14. There are more of natural skin lightening additives that you need to add in your lightening lotion if you are making it yourself, or if you are buying from the store. Check out, read the ingredients, and be sure that all these things I mentioned here are in that product, so that it will work. It can work effectively. When you combine all this I mentioned here in a product, even if you have a stubborn skin, my dear, it will lighten it. In my product, I have Style Secrets moisturizing body lotion and face lotion. The products I mentioned here, they are all in there. If you shake it, at least I know about 13 of them or 14 or 10 of them are in there. When you shake the ingredients I use, that is used to produce that lotions. Okay, so that is it, guys. Patience is the key to everything. Patience, you need patience. Okay, if you want to whiten overnight, then you go meet hydroquinone and family. But in natural world, nothing like overnight lightening there. Okay, so exfoliate your skin properly. Do exfoliate. You need a daily exfoliation. That's why I said flawless skin don't just happen. You need a daily exfoliation that to make it work, you know, to make your lightening product or whatever product you're applying on your skin to. So that will be it. If you have any question, leave it down below. Okay, and we'll see you guys in my next video. Stay organically beautiful. Love you all. Bye bye.